Time is one of our most valuable resources, yet it often slips through our fingers without us even noticing. Each day brings us 24 hours, but how we use those hours can make all the difference in our productivity, happiness, and success. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you manage your time more effectively every single day. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to make the most of your day, these tips will help you take control of your schedule and achieve your goals. Let's begin by understanding why time management matters. The first step in managing your time better is to set clear, achievable goals. When you know exactly what you want to accomplish, it becomes much easier to prioritize your tasks and stay focused. Start each day by writing down your top 3 priorities. These should be the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your day or move you closer to your long-term objectives. By having clear goals, you'll find it easier to avoid distractions and make steady progress. Once you've set your goals, the next step is to prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent, some are important, and some can wait. Use a simple method like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize your tasks into what needs immediate attention and what can be scheduled for later. This helps you focus your energy on what truly matters and prevents you from getting bogged down by less important activities. Planning your day in advance can make a huge difference in how productive you are. Take a few minutes each morning, or the night before, to map out your schedule. Allocate specific time blocks for each task, including breaks and downtime. This structure not only keeps you on track, but also helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed by a long to-do list. Remember, a well-planned day is a productive day. A to-do list is a simple yet powerful tool for managing your time. Write down all the tasks you need to complete and check them off as you go. This not only helps you stay organized, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you see your progress. Keep your list realistic and manageable, focus on quality over quantity to avoid feeling overwhelmed. While it might seem efficient, multitasking often leads to mistakes and wasted time. Focusing on one task at a time allows you to work more efficiently and produce higher quality results. Try to eliminate distractions and give your full attention to the task at hand. You'll find that you complete tasks faster and with better outcomes. Setting time limits for your tasks can help you stay focused and prevent procrastination. For example, give yourself 30 minutes to complete a report, or 15 minutes to respond to emails. Using a timer or alarm can keep you accountable and encourage you to work more efficiently. This technique, often called time boxing, is a great way to boost productivity. Working for long periods without a break can actually decrease your productivity. Schedule short breaks throughout your day to rest and recharge. Even a 5-minute walk or a quick stretch can help you return to your work with renewed focus and energy. Remember, breaks are not a waste of time. They're an essential part of effective time management. Distractions are one of the biggest obstacles to effective time management. Identify what commonly distracts you, whether it's your phone, social media, or noisy environments, and take steps to minimize these interruptions. Turn off notifications, set your phone aside, or find a quiet place to work. By creating a focused environment, you'll be able to get more done in less time. Sometimes, managing your time means turning down requests or invitations that don't align with your priorities. It's okay to say no to things that will distract you from your goals. By setting boundaries and protecting your time, you'll have more energy and focus for what truly matters. Remember, every yes is a no to something else. You don't have to do everything yourself. Delegating tasks to others can free up your time for more important responsibilities. Whether at work or at home, identify tasks that can be handled by someone else and trust them to get the job done. Delegation is a key skill for effective time management and can help you avoid burnout. Technology can be a double-edged sword when it comes to time management. Use apps and tools that help you stay organized, such as digital calendars, reminders, and productivity trackers. However, be mindful of how much time you spend on your devices and avoid apps that distract you from your goals. The right technology can streamline your day and help you stay on track. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review what you accomplished. Reflect on what went well and where you could improve. This habit helps you identify patterns, celebrate your successes, and make adjustments for the future. Regular reflection is a powerful tool for continuous improvement in time management. Routines help you automate your day and reduce decision fatigue. By having set times for regular activities like waking up, exercising, or checking emails, you create a predictable structure that makes it easier to stay on track. Over time, these routines become habits that support your productivity and well-being. Tackling your most challenging task first thing in the morning can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. This approach, often called eating the frog, helps you overcome procrastination and gives you a sense of accomplishment early on. Once the hardest task is done, everything else feels more manageable. Grouping similar tasks together, known as batching, can help you work more efficiently. For example, set aside a specific time to answer emails, make phone calls, or complete administrative work. This reduces the mental effort of constantly switching between different types of tasks and allows you to maintain focus. It's important to be realistic about what you can accomplish in a day. Overloading your schedule can lead to stress and disappointment. Instead, set achievable goals and be flexible if things don't go as planned. Remember, effective time management is about progress, not perfection. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you stay accountable. Even if a task doesn't have a set deadline, give yourself one. This encourages you to take action and prevents tasks from dragging on indefinitely. Meeting deadlines consistently builds trust with others and boosts your confidence. Meetings can take up a significant portion of your day if not managed carefully. Only attend meetings that are necessary and have a clear agenda. Keep them as short and focused as possible. This frees up more time for deep work and important tasks. A little preparation the night before can set you up for a successful day. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and review your schedule. This reduces morning stress and allows you to start your day with clarity and purpose. Preparation is a simple habit that pays big dividends. An organized workspace and digital environment can save you time and reduce frustration. Keep your desk tidy, organize your files, and declutter your digital devices. When everything has its place, you'll spend less time searching and more time doing. Visual reminders like sticky notes, calendars, or whiteboards can help you stay on top of your tasks. Place them where you'll see them often, such as on your desk or computer monitor. These cues keep your priorities front and center and help you stay motivated throughout the day. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for effective time management. Make time for exercise, healthy meals, and relaxation. When you feel your best, you'll have more energy and focus to tackle your daily tasks. Social media can be a major time drain if not managed carefully. Set specific times to check your accounts and avoid mindless scrolling. Consider using apps that block distracting sites during work hours. By limiting social media, you'll have more time for what matters most. No matter how well you plan, unexpected events can disrupt your schedule. Embrace flexibility and be willing to adjust your plans as needed. Adaptability is a key part of effective time management and helps you stay calm under pressure. Recognizing and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, can keep you motivated. Take a moment to acknowledge your progress at the end of each day. This positive reinforcement encourages you to keep building good time management habits. Everyone makes mistakes when it comes to managing time. Instead of getting discouraged, use these experiences as learning opportunities. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve next time. Growth comes from learning, not from being perfect. Accountability can help you stick to your time management goals. Share your plans with a friend, family member, or colleague who can check in on your progress. Knowing that someone else is aware of your goals can give you an extra push to stay on track. The Pomodoro technique is a popular time management method that involves working in focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This approach helps you maintain concentration and avoid burnout. Try using a timer to implement this technique and see how it improves your productivity. Striving for perfection can slow you down and prevent you from completing tasks. Aim for excellence, but recognize when something is good enough to move on. Letting go of perfectionism frees up time and reduces unnecessary stress. In addition to daily reviews, take time each week to reflect on your overall progress. Look at what you accomplished, what challenges you faced, and how you can improve. Weekly reflection helps you stay aligned with your long-term goals and adjust your strategies as needed. Time management is a skill that can always be improved. Read books, watch videos, or attend workshops to learn new techniques. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to experiment with different approaches until you find what works best for you. Effective time management isn't just about getting more done, it's also about making time for what matters most. Balance your work responsibilities with personal interests, family, and relaxation. A well-balanced life leads to greater happiness and long-term success. Tracking how you spend your time can reveal patterns and areas for improvement. Use a journal or a time tracking app to log your activities for a few days. This awareness helps you identify time wasters and make more intentional choices about how you use your day. Setting boundaries with others is essential for protecting your time. Communicate your availability clearly and don't be afraid to say no to requests that conflict with your priorities. Healthy boundaries help you stay focused and reduce stress. Automation can save you significant time on repetitive tasks. Use tools and technology to automate things like bill payments, email responses, or data entry. The less time you spend on routine work, the more time you have for high-value activities. A positive mindset can make a big difference in how you approach your day. Focus on what you can control, celebrate your progress, and don't dwell on setbacks. Staying positive helps you stay motivated and resilient, even when things don't go as planned. Interruptions can break your concentration and waste valuable time. Set boundaries with colleagues or family members during focused work periods. Consider using a do not disturb sign or setting specific hours for deep work. Limiting interruptions helps you maintain momentum. Mindfulness can help you stay present and focused on the task at hand. Take a few moments each day to breathe deeply and clear your mind. Practicing mindfulness reduces stress and improves your ability to manage time effectively. Your energy levels play a big role in how productive you are. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and stay hydrated. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. High energy leads to better focus and more effective time management. Checklists are a simple way to keep track of your tasks and ensure nothing gets forgotten. Break larger projects into smaller steps and check them off as you go. This approach keeps you organized and provides a clear sense of progress. Consistency is key to building strong time management habits. Stick to your routines and strategies even when it's challenging. Over time, these habits will become second nature and help you make the most of every day. Regularly review your time management strategies and make adjustments as needed. What works today might not work tomorrow, so stay flexible and open to change. Continuous improvement is the secret to long-term success. Everyone has certain times of day when they feel most alert and productive. Identify your peak hours and schedule your most important tasks during these times. Working with your natural energy levels can help you get more done in less time. Managing your time better every day is a journey, not a destination. By applying these strategies, you'll gradually build habits that help you make the most of each day. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Stay motivated, keep learning, and celebrate your achievements along the way. With consistent effort, you'll find yourself accomplishing more and enjoying life to the fullest.